schedule, but still you took time to be with us. And welcome to Star Magic Office for the first time for our VlogCon today. And Ryan will be sharing to you a good news, of course, aside from celebrating his birthday. He just launched his new music video, and the rest will be it will be shared by Ryan himself. Ayan, Ryan!
Meron po kasi ako gumawa ng music video para sa YouTube lang. Shopping po ang title. Pwede nyo manood, palabas na kanina eh.
You want us to play it? So
yes,
maybe,
please. Okay, let's watch it first.
Let's watch it first. Before you ask your questions.
Ganda po, di ba?
Ryan, would you like to acknowledge mo na yung mga friends mo na nandito? Si Derek.
Si Derek, siya po yung gumawa ng music video. Director din sa Banana Split. Yung kaibigan po yung nakasombrero si Brian, wala lang po, nandyan po.
Para, ayan.
Oh, pogi oh.
Wow.
Research.
Basta na po, ma'am. Basta na. $2 talaga eh, no?
Gangster.
Dimple ko.
Wow!
Kasi siya napangit ko, acting ko.
Shopping. Let's go shopping. Shopping. I love shopping. Shopping. Let's go shopping. Shopping. 쇼핑은 나의 패션. I love shopping. Shopping. Let's go shopping. Shopping. I love shopping. Shopping! Let's go shopping!
Bulong ko lang yan, siya.